Mentioning documentation can be a sore point for fast-moving teams. It has a bad rep and is seen as a chore and a blocker for things you'd rather be doing. The reality is, documentation is key to ensuring that everyone who has a stake in the process can assess the right information at the right time. Innovation repositories are perfect for this kind of thing because it not only houses important information for the team and sponsors, but takes documentation beyond dry, impenetrable technical documents, which is key to sustaining innovation. First, what is an innovation repository and how do you ensure it's a good one? Innovation repositories aren't a single piece of documentation, but rather a mental model for viewing the collaborative boards, documents, charts, and plans your team produces as living, breathing documentation on how you plan to execute your ideas. These repositories aren't just nice to have. A good one will act as a launching pad for change, make the team more efficient over time, reduces the learning curve that comes with repeating mistakes, and gives everyone the opportunity to be involved in decision-making. Let's create a space for the team where everything from your creative session can live as well as documentation in the future. To be truly valuable, your innovation repository must be something that's easy to understand and embedded in the places, platforms, boards, and planning documents where the team is working. For the main canvas on your Lucid board, you'll want to use frames, containers, text, and other visuals to clearly showcase the problem/purpose the team ideated on, prototypes, and diagrams that show solutions you're working towards, risks, action items, metrics for success, and the plan moving forward. Include tasks and timelines that were agreed upon from the session, so that there is accountability and movement can be tracked. Some areas of your board may have relevant information that is stored in other documents. Make sure to include links to those resources directly to the sections they relate to, so members of the organization can access it straight from the canvas. For example, this would be where your marketing team can add process diagrams mapping out the flow of their email campaigns, prototypes for new online experiences, and storyboards for marketing videos. You'll want to include everything you've worked on in the creative session, but use the space strategically, since not everyone who has access to your repository may need all that information. Store the documentation from the session and any additional working sessions you have in breakout boards so that anyone who wants to can access them from the same place without overwhelming other viewers. This repository can be extremely valuable if you find that ideas you wanted to move forward with aren't working out the way you expected, and you need to revisit ideas that were generated from previous sessions, saving time, energy, and your sanity. As the project evolves, new actions and tasks will be added to the team's plate. Create a smooth workflow by integrating tasks with Jira or Asana to make sure tasks are transferred to your project management platforms. You'll also want to make sure that this team environment can be accessed easily. Add the board to Confluence or one of the other many integrations we have designed to communicate across your organization, and utilize team folders to keep everything clean and organized on the back end. Check out the integration and team folder videos included in your course materials for more information on how to use those. As we wrap things up for this section, remember, your innovation repository becomes a shared visual language that creates a system of record anyone can refer back to at any point as the project progresses. Building a solid innovation repository helps everyone get on the same page, stay on the same page, and commit to working towards a common goal. Well, my friends, we've come to the end of our creative facilitation pathway. Congratulations on making it to this point. You are just one quiz away from earning your badge and showcasing your new facilitation skills to the world. Good luck in these final stages, and if you're interested to learn more about the Lucid Visual Collaboration Suite, visit training.lucid.co. We hope to see you again.